Your engagement on Facebook is not the place to try to make the sale. It is the place to try to. These 3 Facebook mistakes are costing you clients, and I'm going to show you how to fix them today. Hi, I'm Chris, and you might be wondering why I'm talking about Facebook on a YouTube channel, but the truth is social media has changed everything in business. And when it comes to marketing your business and getting leads, Facebook still ranks near the top for one of the best places to get results. But with all the benefits of using Facebook, there are still mistakes that can cost you dearly if you don't avoid them or fix them. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. So sit back and relax and enjoy this one-of-a-kind training made just for you, the expert looking to market themselves on social media. And if you're new to my channel, welcome aboard. Now would be a genius time to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications so that you get an alert every time I create a video about growing your business online. A big mistake that I see a lot of people making on Facebook is that they are not posting consistently. You get to define what consistent is as long as you're not over posting. But posting once a day, 5 days a week establishes a level of consistency, and the platform likes to see that consistency, but moreover, your prospects like to see that consistency. Think about the person who started to market themselves on Facebook, and for 2 or 3 weeks they were posting constantly about their business, and then all of a sudden they vanished. That says a lot about them as a business person, and it will say a lot about you if you do the same. So the takeaway here is establish a schedule that you're going to post on Facebook and stick to it for a long time. Your prospects are going to see that, and they're going to see how that represents you as a business person, someone who's going to be around for a long time, consistently delivering results. And that makes me wonder, how often are you posting on Facebook right now? Let me know in the comments below what your posting schedule looks like and how frequently you're posting on the platform. The next mistake that I see many entrepreneurs making on Facebook is that they completely ignore their best prospects. And by ignore, I mean they're not visiting their profiles or interacting with their content, or even responding to the comments that their prospects make on their content. If you're going to be a successful entrepreneur on Facebook, you must interact with your prospects. You can't ignore them. So that means seeking out the posts that they make and commenting meaningfully on those posts, watching for the comments that they make on your posts and making sure that you're answering those comments so that they see that interaction. This is going to keep you top of mind with your prospects, but it's also going to show that you genuinely care about them and the things that are important to them. So decide right now that you're not going to ignore your prospects and you're going to be active with them through the Facebook platform. Above all else, I think the biggest mistake that people make on Facebook is coming on too strong with the sales pitch. Think about the direct messages that you've gotten or the Facebook posts that you've seen where people are just pushing the sale on you. Whether it's an opportunity or it's a product or it's a service, when you come on and push the sale, you're actually pushing your perfect prospects away. Look, over the past few years, Facebook and social media has become the level playing field that we must participate in as experts. And when you come on just slamming people with a sales pitch or slamming people with an opportunity, they're going to respond much differently than you're expecting. Your engagement on Facebook is not the place to try to make the sale. It is the place to try to nurture the relationship. And then when you have the relationship, when you've developed authority, when you've shown that you're an expert and your prospects trust you, then you can position the sale. But in fact, once you've done all of that, your perfect prospects are going to step towards you and say that they're interested in working with you. You're not even going to have to push the sale. So your success step here is to stop pushing your sales message so strongly on the platform. Stop messaging people with a pitch. Stop putting the pitch right into your posts, because doing that is having the exact opposite result that you're looking for. So knock it off right now. Fix that mistake and watch how your business opens up. Next, I would like to show you 6 ways to get clients on Facebook. When I'm done recording that class, I'm going to put a link right here. Here is a link that YouTube thinks you're going to enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe subscribe so that you get alerts when I create new videos about getting clients from social media.